How to create Pictory AI account. In this video, I will show you how you can create your pre-Pictory account. And if you don't know how to do that, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. Now let's begin the tutorial. So first, what you have to do to create a free Pictory account, click the first link I have provided in this video description and it will bring you to this page. Now to sign up for a free Pictory AI account, what you have to do, click on free trial. And here you can create your free Pictory account. And there is no credit card required for this free trial account. So here to create your free Pictory AI account, first put your first name and then your last name. And then here in this box, put your email and create a strong password which at least should be 8 characters with a mix of capital and small letters, numbers and symbols. And then click on continue. And here you have to select what is your main goal. So if you want to create videos for YouTube and monetize them, then you can select the first one, monetize views on my YouTube channel and other sites. And if you are gonna be using Pictory for different purposes like business, agency, personal uses, etc., then you can have all these options. But I'm gonna be selecting the first one as I'm gonna be monetizing my videos, and then I'm gonna click on next. And then you need to tell something about your organization. So here I'm gonna select solo as I don't have any organization, and then I'm gonna click on next. And here you have to describe yourself professionally. So what you wanna choose? You can choose content creator, teacher, instructor, coach, marketer, sales professionals, and other. Here I'm gonna select content creator, and then I'm gonna click on submit and sign up. And here Pictory will give you a welcome message. And here you can see it says Pictory lets you create videos from text or script and also lets you edit and repurpose your own videos. So here I'm gonna just click on this cross icon. And here you can see this is the home and user interface of Pictory. So here you can start editing your videos, guys. As you can see in this section, you can create your videos using script to video. And you're going to convert article to video. Just you have to paste URL of the article and it will automatically convert to a video. And here you can edit video using text and you can convert visuals to videos. And also at the bottom of all this section, you can see you can watch tutorials on how to use these features to create your videos. So guys, that's pretty much it is. That is how you can create your free Pictory AI account. So make sure you click the first link in this video description and you can create your free Pictory AI account easily. And guys, if you want to upgrade to a premium plan, then you can use my Pictory AI coupon code RAJ82 at checkout to get 20% discount on any plan. So that's pretty much it is. That's how you can create your free Pictory AI account. And if you found this video helpful, then do me a big favor by hitting that like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.